enhancement to shield you from dense energy. Use this boost when you need to visit physical places where pain, suffering, lack, injustice, misery, disease, as well as low vibration individuals and communities are prevalent. Remember that in this video's description and the first comment, you can find the link that will take you to the dates of the upcoming workshops and courses. Let's strengthen your midline. We fortify the central nervous system, spinal cord, meninges, cerebrospinal fluid, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We tighten and relax your midline so that during this enhancement, you're continuously raising your vibration. Let's reinforce your internal dynamics. We amplify the vibration of the quantum particles within you. We increase the speed of movement. We remove dense energy at the level of quantum particles, which slows down vibration. We strengthen this dense energy and send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, time-space, dark matter and dark energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We're going to increase the space between electrons and neutrons. We strengthen that inner energy and strengthen it to repel and reject polluting energies. We level electrons with protons, protons with electrons that are centered, balanced, stable, and in equal amounts. We are going to remove negative thoughts, emotions, and vibrations stuck, blocked, and resistant to leaving your empty spaces and your quantum particles. We're going to remove low vibrational energy which comes from physical spaces, which comes from other people's energy, and which comes from things that weaken you. Let's make your vibration strong in the quantum particles to go above the speed of light, strong to go below the speed of light, and strong to go at the same speed of light. We're going to strengthen the interaction between your quantum particles and the ones that come from your internal dynamics and those that come from your external dynamics, so that they are centered, balanced, and stable. We'll level the dense energy with the high vibrational energy that comes from the external, strong dynamics, so that it is also centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to eliminate low vibrational energy that is lurking in your energy field. We'll strengthen this energy from any dimension, level, or form that wants to feed off of you, that wants to lower your vibration to extract your energy. We're going to make this dense energy strong to eliminate all resistance to leaving your quantum field and your own resistance to letting it go. Again, we're going to strengthen this dense energy so it can travel to other universes, existences, dimensions, time-space, energy, dark matter, black holes, wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. And there, we're going to boost it to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to strengthen your energy field to transmute the energy fields of the places you go, the people you live with, and the things you touch, powerful so that all of this can receive your strengthening energy, effective so that everything increases its vibration in your presence, and robust so that all of this can spread that energy beyond its own quantum field. We're going to separate the weaknesses of your body, mind, and spirit and erase them. Zero hands infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We level them in all possible combinations to be centered, balanced, and stable. We're going to eliminate guilt, grudges, haste, judgments, criticisms, accusations, and complaints from your mind that lower your vibration. We're also going to remove them from your body and those that stem from your spirit. We're going to eliminate the accumulated effect of these emotions, sensations, and reactions that make you vulnerable to psychic attacks, that turn you into a receiver of polluted energy, that make you a source of nourishment for certain entities that feed off low vibration. We're going to strengthen oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, endocannabinoids, endorphins, and GABA in your body, ensuring they're strong and being secreted at optimal levels. Strengthening the interaction between these molecules and the interaction of these molecules with the quantum fields within and outside of you. We're going to make you strong so that you feel centered, balanced, and stable under any situation, circumstance, person, or energy field. Strong to sense, perceive, and intuit parasitic attachments and other vibrations around you. Strong to repel them by raising your vibration. We're going to eliminate fear, rejection, and resistance to these energies. We'll strengthen self-confidence, self-power, and self-observation. Strong to neutrally command these energies to leave your body. And strong these energies so that they come out of your body, expelled by neutrality. We're going to strengthen your energy field so that when it interacts with other energy fields, new fields of more conscious, harmonious, and expansive possibilities are created. Strong to create a state of coherence aligned with universal consciousness. Strong to energetically influence weak vibratory fields and imbue them with energy of neutrality, energy of peace, energy of acceptance, and energy of love. Strong to create harmonious energy fields with your body, mind, and spirit. We strengthen the correspondence between the various planes of manifestation aligned with the source. Strong to make contact with the most empowering memories of the weak physical spaces you visit. Strong so that each step you take in these physical spaces, the energy gets transmuted, cleansed, and elevated. Strong to accept, admit, and acknowledge that you have this power. Strong to exercise and increase it constantly. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strengthen your energy field to resonate with higher vibrational energy fields, strong to enter and stay in them. Strong against any psychic attack. Strong so that thanks to it your power grows, you raise your vibration and expand your consciousness. Let's strengthen the points in your body. We isolate each of their weaknesses and their combinations and erase them to negative infinity, 100% of the time for infinite time. We level all vertices, strengthen them, and protect them from dense energy. We make your interactions 100% strong with infinite potential, 100% of the time for infinite time. We repair cracks, remove blockages, and eliminate standstills at the vertices. We strengthen your physical potential by increasing strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination. We're going to eliminate blockages, stalemates, and plugs in the energy portals. We strengthen each exit portal, cleanse it, and raise its energetic vibration and its capacity of draining. We strengthen the chin, armpits, plexus, bladder, colon, sacrum, coccyx, genitals, palms, fingers, and spaces between the fingers, feet, fingers, and spaces between the toes. We strengthen them so that they tense and detense to drain all the low vibrational energy. We're going to strengthen the waves in the quantum field so that they propagate, flooding these fields with neutrality, trust, and acceptance. We're going to remove traces, vestiges, remnants, and impressions of slow, dense, and negative vibrations. And we send them back to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and dark energy, black and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We're eliminating the false information, perceptions, and interpretations that you're vulnerable to this energy, that it has more power than you, and that it doesn't depend on you. We're erasing everything that comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, the collective, your family, and even yourself. It takes strength to accept, admit, and acknowledge that nothing and no one has more power over your energy field than you do, that nothing and no one can contaminate your consciousness as long as you remain attentive, present, and aware. It takes strength to be and remain without mind, without spirit, empty. It takes strength to be attentive, present, and aware of your energy. It takes strength to voluntarily choose quantum fields of higher vibration. It takes strength to move away from quantum fields of low vibration, without rejection, without resistance, just neutrality. It takes strength to create perspectives, interpretations, and observations of the beautiful, wonderful, and abundant things that life offers you. Neutral towards the negative, discordant, and messy parts of life. Strong enough to protect your energy, keeping it free from judgment, criticism, accusation, guilt, and fears that lower your vibration and make you fall prey to low-density energy. Strong and neutral to be the same or different, change or not change, perception or non-perception. Strong for everything positive and non-positive, negative and non-negative. Will strengthen your internal and external dynamics, inner and outer limits and vertices, as well as the geometric foundations of all the geometric figures we addressed. Will remove everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks your energy field from being protected, clean, and free of contaminating energies. We're going to erase all the weaknesses of your body, mind, and spirit to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, your mind, and your spirit. How do you feel, the same or different?